What are you showing me?
ProClip USA phone holder, you guys. Check it out. You can put it this way. Has a rail over here to make sure that your phone isn't shaking while you use it.
And now I get to have my own.
Lucky you.
I'm literally so excited to do this one. What do you think?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Come on, open it up.
What are you talking about, the boxwood?
Doing pretty good over there.
Look at how green that looks. Oh my gosh.
It's taking in all that direct sunlight.
Also, does anyone want that white bird of paradise? If you do, we'll slap on a Garage Couple decal on it and we will send it off to you. Just let us know in the comments below. So what are we doing on this episode?
Alrighty, you guys. Today we're talking about something super important that every Jeep needs, which is a crow.
A crow? What? That's not even a crow though. Every single person needs one of these in their Jeep Wrangler, and that is right, I am talking about a wife. Oh.
Aw, that was cute. That was cute. That was cute. That was sweet.
But in all honesty, I am gonna install the absolute best phone mounting solution for the Jeep Wrangler ever. Now, if you've seen, we've actually installed this on Olin's Jeep about 1 year ago, and now it's my turn to enjoy unlimited phone mounting possibilities with the ProClip USA phone mounting solution. Now, a little bit of background. These phone mounts are vehicle specific, so you have to give them your exact vehicle as well as what interior mods you've done. This is because they plug directly into the original locations, whether it's next to the radio or above the dash, they plug directly into there. Now, they're also phone...
That's what I was going to say. They are also phone specific, you guys. So the phone holders are made specific for your model of phone, which is absolutely incredible because it eliminates vibration because everything fits like a glove.
And you have to tell them if you have a phone case, what size your phone case is. So this is truly the most custom way to mount your phone. Now, more and more people like me are actually resorting to doing Uber. So that's why I think this is a great modification. Now, if you're new to our channel, subscribe to our channel. We will let you know how this does over time, as well as all the other mods that we do on our Jeep Wranglers. Now, these guys were totally stock when we got them, and they are far from it now. All of the parts we've ever installed are in the description below, as well as the link to the ProClip USA phone mount. Now,
can you tell he's so excited, you guys?
I am so excited. So, without further ado, let's get started.
The excitement is real,
Just a touch of seagull in the background, no problem at all. Now, Olin, why don't you go ahead and show them your watch? Well, let's do this in real time.
Alright.
The time is 10:32. You able to see that?
Yep, 10:32.
So let us go ahead, without cutting our fingers, let us open the box. Look at that packaging, as well as what is in here. Let me go ahead and officially read this. This is the Magic Grip wireless charger with the Amps ProClip angled mount. Now, I forgot to mention to you all, this is also a wireless charging device here.
Open it up, open it up.
So this is the Magic Mount wireless charger. I'm so excited. I've seen these online everywhere. I think it's the one where you place your phone and it cradles your phone into position. So here's the actual device. Now it comes with, looks like a mounting plate as well as a couple screws in this one. And then here is the connection here, which one day we will go ahead and make this thing stealthy and plug right into the dash. But for today, I'm gonna actually plug this just direct into our 12-volt cigarette lighter on our center console. So up next, we have the pamphlet of instructions, but it's pretty self-explanatory. And last but not least, this is the angled mount, which it says for 2003 to 2006 Jeep Wrangler TJs. Let's open that up. Boom. And that is all the hardware for this install. We have tried many different mounts and mounting solutions in the past. We're finally excited to install the last one of the bunch. Now, we've tried the one that's magnetic, that mounts to the dashboard. It's okay, but not the best. We've also tried the ones that mount to the window, but you know, on a hot day that thing falls down, and if you're holding a precious phone as well as driving with your doors off, you genuinely don't want to risk that kind of accident using those window suction cups. Now, suction cups belong on an octopus, not on your window. So we'll just leave it at that. Now the very first thing I'm gonna do is actually remove the one that I have currently, which pretty much just unscrews out of place and pops right out. Didn't even have to look at it. It looks like this thing is held in with just some simple, with just double-sided tape here. That is coming out.
We just spent a bit of time cleaning up the sticker residue from before. That's what's gonna account for a couple of the minutes, so just shave it off the end, okay? Now let's get back to the install.
All right, very next step, you're gonna open up your glove compartment here, and you're gonna grab your angled Pro Clip mount. Let's take off this piece of adhesive on the inside. And the planes are versing each other now.
It's like Battleship, Greg?
Battleship with airplanes fighting for attention.
From the Garage Couple. Yeah, I'm gonna do that, I have nails.
All right, the piece of adhesive is removed. Oh, and lucky for us, there's another one. All right, both pieces are removed. First step is to just tuck it in to this climate control area, and let's see here. This is supposed to clip right behind. And it looks like we're in business.
Do you want to show
and
them
now
that side?
we close that, and
Wow.
it's in place.
That is so sleek.
That is it. That is literally it.
Babe, show them from the glove.
Just tucked in right over there.
And how Greg got mud on this inner part of the Jeep, I have no idea.
All right, next step is we are gonna mount this bracket here using just 4 little baby Phillips screws. So this is the bracket, and all you need is a Phillips screwdriver, and it looks like the holes are already pre-drilled.
Alrighty, what's up?
Alrighty, let us unwrap the goods. This is the meat, the brain of the operation. Let us get it ready. Look at that, absolutely beautiful. It has like a socket, ball and socket style. This is basically how your hip works.
Alright,
Let's push that in. Let's first unscrew this fully. Go ahead and push this in. And now we can tighten it up. Now the nice thing is the plug is actually angled, so you don't have to deal with any like tight spaces here. Plugs right into the rear, and also just gonna plug it right into 12-volt lighter, which is right there. We can clean this up just by tucking it back over there. And why don't we see if it works? What last step is to put these side holders on. So these are phone specific, so that is why they come separately. They are just gonna mount right over there so that it holds your phone securely. We'll do that in just a moment. Let us try this out.
And that light.
Do you see how it opened?
Let's do that again. Wow.
Totally sorry. These are actually cable clips. You can put this on the vehicle and slide the cable in between through that edge so it tucks away the cables. So it actually makes it a lot cleaner. Like for example, let me just do this. Peel the back, and I'm just gonna stick one right down over here. As you can see, just push it in right over there. And look at that. Cable is tucked away.
Wow.
That is pretty neat. Now I'm gonna put the other one down over here. And I would recommend cleaning your console before doing this. Other one goes down over there and slips right in, just like so. And now you have your cables out of its way. Now why don't we see how this operates? As you can see, we have the phone mounted there. It is not going anywhere. Let's see, how do we remove it? Operation is very straightforward. To take it out, you just pivot and it comes right out. Now to put it back in, pop it in there, and it holds it. That's it. You keep your case on and everything. Look at that. Not going anywhere.
And it's charging.
And it is it charging?
It did, the charge came out.
It is charging. That is exceptional. What time is it? After all, like everything live, it is 10:56. We started at, was it 26 or 36?
23?
We're gonna have to check while we're editing, but it took 30 to 40 minutes maximum. If I had to do it again, it would take less than 5 minutes. Plus we're recording and trying to be funny so you guys can enjoy the video.
That's natural, babe, that's natural.
Natural. Turtle wax disinfectant. I'm gonna disinfect.
All right, babe, let's wrap up. Come on, let's go. Clean up your mess, babe, clean it up. Enough's enough.
All in a day's with work, huh?
Maybe you can clean mine too.
Wow, this smells so good. Come on in, buckaroni. So that was one of the easiest installs, and now it's adding a bunch of functionality to the Jeep. Not only is the phone gonna stay secured with the doors off and our tube doors on, but it's also gonna charge while it's there. Now all it took was a box cutter. Now you don't actually need one of these.
If you have big muscles like me.
Just like that. Or if you, and you also need a Phillips screwdriver, and that is literally it. It's a little bit of time, perhaps a beer, maybe two. Doesn't hurt ever when installing Jeep parts. And the job gets done. So if you actually like the product, the link is in the description below. Give Pro Clips a check out, as well as subscribe to our channel and check out our Instagram.
Thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for all the good content, and we'll see you guys soon.
Peace.